happening, YouTube? I'm Transient. Welcome to my channel. So, the reset has just happened, or the updates, right? Honestly, I sometimes say the wrong words all the time. So the update has just happened. I got 300 diamonds, which is good. Now, with this new update, which to be honest, I kind of missed it yesterday, is this new event which starts. I'm not sure exactly when it starts, but it's an event and it's got Sadie skin. But then there's also Malvera, which I mentioned, but I couldn't actually. They hadn't put this particular screen in, so I couldn't see her new gear and so on. Sorry about her details. So Malvera, she's a defender. Malvera, the guardian of life and death, wields resentment power to shield herself and hunt down anyone who threatens the touch. And as you can see, she's got 2 range. She looks cool. She looks like what's her name? Amy Schumer, to be honest. Kind of. Interesting. Okay. Physical attack. Magic attack. AoE magic attack. Alright. For that. Spirit shield. When taking direct damage, has a 20% chance to gain a shield equal to 8% max HP for 5 seconds. And resentment is each stack reduces damage taken by 3%. When the state is removed, each stack restores 10% HP, stacks up to 5 times. When resentment reaches 4 stacks, the next basic attack consumes 1 stack resentment and deals 160% AoE damage instead. Oath of the Damned. When taking fatal damage, consumes 3 stacks of resentment and enters unyielding, lasting for 4 seconds. Did that increase? Yes, unyielding +1, +1, so it's 6 seconds. Trigger interval 60 seconds. Okay. Unlimited unyielding every 60 seconds. Okay, right, and the ultimate pulls up to 6 furthest enemy targets in range towards the hero and consumes all of the hero's stacks of resentment to deal 450% AoE damage to up to 10 enemy targets in range. For each stack of resentment consumed, increases final damage by an extra 10% within 10 seconds after this skill, increases the hero's block by 3. And her block is... Alright, this is kind of cool. Block 3. She can have 6. And if you're given her 8. Okay. Kind of cool. I don't think I have anywhere near enough summons to get up, but we'll see. Right, Awakened 1. When the Call of the Reaper is cast, apply the Spirit Shield to other allies within 2 for 5 seconds. Cost +3, say 2. A3. During Call of the Reaper, only takes 8% of incoming damage. After Call of the Reaper ends, loses HP equal to evenly shared remaining damage 1 time per stack over 10 seconds. I'm not sure about that, I need to read that again. HP 1200, yeah, that makes sense. Each enemy killed increases the hero's max HP by 2%, stacking up to 10 times. Okay. Yeah, she's kind of cool with Defender. Anyway, alright, that's cool. Now, what else is coming? Hero training. Get that. that might help towards getting Malvera. How many summons I got? 34. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna just collecting all kinds of the daily rewards. For what I'm planning to do is do some forging, I think. 7. Okay, they're all quite good. Alright, let's set over there. Let's do this. Background. Fight. Start. Okay, minimize. Thank you. What's the story about? Oh, they brought some new stuff in. Oh, that's good. What's the sub story? In 13. Random. So real. Yeah. Well, so it's appreciated to get some new gear. Okay, what else? Okay, I think I'll stop with the daily reward getting and go to Guild Boss and see if we can get another soulstone. I got a soulstone. What's today? Today's Tuesday, so I got one on Sunday, which to be honest was very, very pleasing. So now I've got one unpolished and 2 polished soulstones. With the 2 polished ones, I'm waiting for 1 more, and if with 1 more I can then wait for Ingrid, because I don't have Ingrid, and if I get Ingrid then I'm going to go straight to A3. My apprentice is A2. He's used 1 soulstone and he got 1. I pulled him twice. Alright, can't see anything good. No. Alright, one more time. Nope. Yeah, no. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll do Guild Boss a little bit later. So, what am I going to do with Gearforge? Okay, I haven't got a huge amount, but I've been trying to save them. Now hopefully, in the amount of forges I do, I'm able to get, the main thing I'm trying to get after with Gearforge is Hex's weapon. So, let's see, it's a foundry. 1,700. So, 8. Yeah, let's have a go. If I'm lucky, how much space do I have in my gear actually? Gear. I haven't got a huge amount, so I do need to clear this out, but alright, let's go. Alright, so I've got fabrics. Let's see if we can get. Alright. So. Is that decent? It's not even decent. Okay. Anything good? What's this? There we go. Right. Another 10. Nope. I'm going to do 1 more, and if it's crap like that, I'm going to reset. Don't think that will actually help, but you never know. Okay, alright, I won't. Only because I don't even use wrap anymore. A-bomb. Alright. Okay. Another, so 4 temples. In my attempts to try and get Hex's one. Nocturne, who I only just got on the weekend. Okay, that's good. Ooh, that's actually a very, very nice piece. Okay, Nocturnes. So we'll keep those. 3 more. Ugh, that's terrible. 2 more. Come on, Hex. Nope. Alright, 1 more. This is the last one. Hex. No. Alright. Well, I'll do some more farming this week, and hopefully we'll get him next week. Okay, now Smoldering Scales. Let's see what we can get. No. That was turgid. Another 10. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully something good. Okay. There we go. Well, I mean, it's okay. I'll take it, to be honest. So, Kama's Bangle, when the ultimate is triggered, increases damage by 30%. Exclusive command, Rage, Regen, ultimate damage multiplier. Okay. Ezra. Healing attack bonus. Yeah, we'll put everything the other way around. Light and breath and breath and rejuvenation affect allies beyond the range. The healing effect reduction is decreased. Okay, that's cool. Alright. I should have sold the okay, another Ezrin and a Dolores. Attack speed. Okay. Attack bonus. Rage. Okay, that's better. Interesting thing. To be honest, ever since I got my Diachan A3, I really don't use Dolores that much anymore. It's just because Diachan just allows that I don't have to. Well, that's a better word. I don't have to think. I just put it on. What's it called? Inspiration, and just let her rock. But I don't know. Okay, let's see. Nope. Okay, what else? Come on, another 10. No, guys, this isn't good at all. So, I've got 4 more temples. Anything good? Okay. So we've got Helga, Magnus. That's a nice piece. It's another bit. Okay, so Helga's a minute. Tempest, crit rate. Okay, and then this one. Unshaken well. Okay, I need more unshaken wells, to be honest, for my defenders. Okay. Alright, cool. Okay, right, 3 more. Any more? Something good, please. Against. Okay, don't really use Aggro too much, to be honest. Good button line against is A0. So he's not actually that powerful. Right. One more temple. And Magma. Or Magda. Okay. Well, there's what it is. That's what we got. Nothing great, but we will have to sell some gear, and then next week see if we can do some more forging and see what we can get. All right. I think that is generally it for me right now. I think it's just for this video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and do my Guild Boss 1 runs to make sure they're ready for tomorrow's daily reset. And yeah, I think that we'll leave it there. Actually, I almost forgot. Artifacts. I wanted to forge some artifacts. So before I go, let's do some quick artifact forging. Alright, so I've got a few of the exclusive forge. I've got 2000 wisdom and just short of 2000 titan. Right, so let's start with the exclusives. So how many can I do? I can do 1 temple. Let's see what we get. Okay, I've kind of got like 3 or 4 of these Sadie ones. I don't actually have Sadie. Okay, so thank you. So okay, any of the new ones in there? No, but Tear of Twilight is useful. Thank you very much. I need some more of those. Alright, I think I'll start with the Titan Forge and see what we get. Okay. Alright. Actually, how much space do I have in my forge? Okay, I've got enough, so I can just forge away. Alright, let's continue. Forge. Okay, captivation of burning desire. Right, that's cool. I'm going to do a lot of selling for the 10. So I can do another. Oh wow, that's pretty crap. Alright. Wow. That was pretty shocking. Okay, well, let's move on from that and Wisdom Forge and see what we can get. Anything decent? Golden Scarabs. Another 3 temples. Oh wow. Not that great. Another 2. Okay, Tear of Twilight, that's useful. I actually need a few of these because I need to get my Praetus to 25, so that should get him to 19, I think. I need to do another 2 or 3. Alright. 2 more temples. Twin Fiend, I don't have. Okay, right. 1 more temple. Yeah, it's not that great. Alright, well, that is what it is. Okay. Yeah, so, well guys, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to leave a comment about anything. Whatever you do it well. I'm Transient, and I'm out.